What food shall I eat to make me happy? Have you ever wondered if the food on your plate could affect your mood? In today's video, we'll discover the foods that can make you happy. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have dark chocolate. It's packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, which can improve blood flow to the brain, boosting cognitive function and mood. Plus, who doesn't love a chocolate treat? Next, consider adding fatty fish like salmon or mackerel to your meals. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish promote brain health and help fight off depression, leaving you feeling happier and more satisfied. Don't forget about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are full of vitamins and minerals like magnesium and folate, which play a vital role in the production of the feel-good hormone serotonin. Now, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are a fantastic source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide a steady stream of energy, keeping mood swings at bay. Speaking of energy, complex carbs like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes can do wonders for your happiness. They fuel your brain and release serotonin, providing a perfect combination for a happy mind. Did you know that fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are great for your gut and mood? They're packed with probiotics that support a healthy gut microbiome, linked to better mental health. Lastly, never underestimate the power of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, which combat stress and help maintain a positive outlook on life. So, there you have it. Incorporate these mood-boosting foods into your diet, and you'll be well on your way to a happier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. For more videos, please subscribe.